Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMZN, Amazon. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the red and green lines are coming from. But it was such a rough day here for Amazon that I'm actually just going to delete all these lines out. Sure, they still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. Yeah, there's no reason to sugarcoat it. A very, very brutal day for Amazon here. Now, as far as levels to watch moving forward, let's first start off with levels of resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, first key level of resistance to watch closely going to be right there at the $3,050 mark. So 30.50, that first key battleground to watch. If the price could push up through there, then the next key overarching level going to be right up there around the 3,100 mark. So 30.50 and then 3,100 going to be those two key battlegrounds to watch. If there, like I said, if there is any sort of attempted consolidation and then movement back to the upside, it'll be interesting to see how does the price behave around each of these levels. So that'll be assuming you care about resistance levels, that's going to be the levels to watch. Now, what about areas of support? Well, where are some next potential bounce areas? And as you see here, I am scrunching the chart down quite a bit because it has been a long time since the price has been down this low. But the next key level of support is going to be right here at, what is that? The 3,000 mark, which would make sense, the big old round number. And you can see back here, that is essentially, now, do I mean 3,000 to the T? Actually, in this situation, maybe. But I mean, give or take a few bucks. I mean, we're talking about a $3,000 stock here. But point here being that is right where the price found support last time. And that doesn't mean it's going to go down there. But it's certainly, definitely well within striking distance right now. But those are going to be certainly the main technical levels to watch from both the support and resistance, side of things moving into next week. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.